Okay, now it's time to modify a brick 2x2 transclear to allow a classic blue LED to be placed inside the center tube. You can use also the translight blue brick, but they are very rare and costly. This is why I choose to modify the classic transclear. As you can see, I made a hole, but I kept the tube intact. I just increased the inner diameter of the tube a little bit. Now the LED can be fit inside. To make it easier, you can also use a little bit of oil. Olive oil is working as well. Just pay attention to the side of the connection, because now I have to bend them, and it is better to let them go between the two studs. Now it is ready to be put inside the Kyber cage and to be connected with the Arduino. Always remember to add a resistor in series with the LED to protect it from burning. I will not bother you anymore with all the soldering stuff. The final result should be this one. If you are curious, please go and have a look to the previous episodes. But now let's place the brick, put back the cover, and this is it, the Kyber cage from the Lego Skywalker saga. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow the progress of this amazing mock. Goodbye.